Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Katelyn from Referrals.com and today I have my How to Kill a Kit with Style for May kit share to share with you guys. It's nothing too big, it's nothing too crazy put together, it's just a mishmash of supplies that I thought could work together on a couple layouts. So I'm not doing anything super crazy like I did last month with a ton of empties and a ton of, focused projects. However, I do have a focused project this month. However, it doesn't necessarily pertain to this kit. I wanted to have a side project, to work on individual layouts that I might want to get done, etc., etc. So if you guys haven't already, I have a list down below of all the lovely people participating in this month's How to Kill a Kit with Style collaboration. So if you haven't checked them out already, they are all linked down below so you can check out their kit share videos here at the beginning of May. So I hope you guys have an amazing May. I hope you guys had an amazing April. I know that I did crafty-wise, so I'm hoping to continue that momentum into May. However, I do know that sometimes I need a creative break, and that's kind of what this month is going to be about. I picked a smaller project to focus on for my Craft Your Stash Away series, and if you guys haven't caught up on that, I'll have the playlist linked down below in the description so you guys can catch up on all the fun things that have happened in April and in March too. We had a whole thing in March. So 2 projects completed that I've set out to complete. I do have a third one coming up. You'll have to wait till Saturday to hear what that announcement is, but it is something different. It's no more Disney. So sorry for all my Disney fans who really enjoyed all the Disney layouts, but we're going to take a break. However, there might be some Disney layouts made with this kit. So let's get started. I have tons of embellishments. First, I have these cute little freckled fawn, man, that has been hard for me to say, these beautiful silver cork arrows. Haven't used them, so brand new product to use. Then I have these Paper House Productions 3D puffy stickers, and these are just some really cute cameras. And I don't know about you guys, but I think they are precious. However, since they have this realism look to them, they are very hard for me to use, so we'll see if I can try to use those up this month. At least a few more would be nice. I did try to bait myself with some empties by including things that only had 1 or a few items left, including this sticker that says "You Are My Sunshine" from this My Mind's Eye label sticker set. Come on, I could finish this. It is from 2013, an oldie but a goodie. Would love to finish that this month. Some Freckled Fawn labels. I actually have 2 sets. I did a haul from Freckled Fawn quite a few months ago, and I really haven't put a big dent in the stash that I bought from that. So I'm trying to focus on using some of them up. So I have labels with gold and labels with color. And you might notice that I have a lot of labels. I like options, people. You might also notice that there's gold and silver in this kit. Sometimes you want both, and this might be a hint as to what I'm scrapbooking about, gold and silver associated. But if you haven't checked it out already, my patrons over on Patreon do get exclusive behind-the-scenes videos every Friday. So if you're not over there, any tier can get them, and they're just, fun behind-the-scenes vlog-style videos that you guys could know why I have silver and gold before everyone else. So if you're interested in exclusives like that, head over there. The link is in the description if you are interested. Here I have some rainbow hearts. I mainly pulled it for the oranges and yellows, but we'll see where it takes us. I like having options and small stickers like this to work into my clusters. 2 more items I threw in to be emptied this month. We have a singular banner left from this Open Road collection from Crate Paper. I think I got these for like 45 cents or something crazy from Tuesday Morning. I have used the rest of them, which is kind of crazy because it's a very large embellishment, very thick, but I do love that kind of thing on my projects. Next up is Jen Hatfield homemade collection. Just a few stickers left. I thought I could do some generic home layouts. The cats, the dog, something could come out of these. And would you look at that, more puffy stickers. Are we surprised? No, we're not, because I am obsessed with puffy stickers. These are my Freckled Fawn word puffy stickers. I believe these are still available in the shop, and if you see anything here, I'll try to have them linked down below, and again, the description box in case you guys are interested. But I believe with all of these sales going on, you might be able to get some of these products at a nice rate. So again, I'll try to have them linked down below if they're still available online. Quite a few left here. Would love to put more of a dent in that. Might as well move on to the 6x6 paper pad I included this month. This is actually the May 2015 card kit. I bought an old Studio Calico card kit, I don't know, definitely over a year ago. It's been forever since I've ordered from Studio Calico. But this one has, you know, oranges, it has neutrals, it has some blues. I can work it in somehow. I'm not sure how. I don't know. I just haven't used this paper pad in a while, so I figured might as well. And it's May, and this says May. It just works. Moving on, I have this set of, what do you know, Puffy Stickers. These are the Family & Co. collection from Fancy Pants, which I also don't know what year these are from, 2016. I've used these a few times. Again, I have the orange, the teals, the blacks. We're kind of getting a color scheme here, although it's a little bit iffy for some of the picks I've had, but we'll see how I can incorporate them throughout my projects this month. This one's another potential empty. There's only 6 stickers left. This is a crepe paper. I think this sticker looks crepe papery. Neighborhood phrase stickers is what it says on the label. Crapepaper.com, yes. So these are actually from Big Lots. I don't know if you guys remember Big Lots, but they used to carry actual name brand scrapbooking stuff. And I don't think they do anymore. I haven't been to one in a while, but this was like an Easter springtime theme sticker set. And for $1, crepe paper, 10 out of 10, would buy again. So I'm gonna use these up, you know, just 6. They definitely have a different feel than some of the other stuff in my kit, but you know, things change. And who knows what I'll be scrapbooking. I don't really have huge plans for this kit, so it's a leisurely scrapbooking kind of month for me. The main event is this DCWV Hello Darlin' paper stack. I have used this paper stack before. I think I've actually had it in How to Kill a Kit with Style before. Like, I've made page kits from it. Lots of fun, lots of great colors, and you know, I want to put more of a dent in it. So this is from 2015. However, I do think it's still available online, select places. Again, I'll try to have it linked down below so you guys can check it out if you're interested. But this is the last thing in my kit. But I'm going to flip through it with you guys just to show you guys the color scheme a bit more in case you haven't seen this paper pad. So there's lots of cut aparts in it. 1 wood grain left. This probably will get used up this month. Wood grain is some of my favorite, and I just think it can be so fun. Borders, florals, you name it, it's probably in here. It's got this homey vibe without being too much. More cut aparts, and I really enjoy it, and I really like these basic patterns, especially when you don't know what you're going to scrapbook for the month. Things like homey items can work pretty well for lots of different topics. This is a really cute idea to have cut aparts. I'm just not a huge fussy cutting person, and I wouldn't know how to cut out a floral like this or this one or that bird. You know, square things easy, you know, with those edges I can do. But some of this other stuff, they just don't even have a tolerance to put a nice edge around them. We'll see what happens with those. Lots of foiling in this one, so lots of gold, but also I do have some silver included, so we'll see how that works out. Pinks and more pinks, and we'll honestly see where it goes. Again, I don't have specific plans for it. However, like, I can see some cute layouts coming together. I just need to think of the photos I want to scrapbook. And I've had a box of photos that came in from Shutterfly. They've been in quarantine themselves for a while now, so I can unbox those because they should be safe from the remnants that can stay on cardboard. But that is my simple kit for the month. Again, I'll have everyone else linked down below, because there are some great kits you won't want to miss. And since we're kicking off National Scrapbooking Weekend with some great kits, I hope you guys are able to tune in for a bunch of challenges over on all of the crafty Facebook groups. The crafty stores are doing fun things and fun sales, and it's hopefully going to be a great weekend for you. But if you're busy, no worries, you can always participate in the challenges after the fact. Sometimes that's okay too. Sometimes you just need to do it later because that's how life goes. But I hope you guys enjoyed this kit. Let me know what you're most excited to see me use, or a specific paper you like that you would like to see used. But overall, I'm pretty happy with it. There's a lot of things in here that I haven't worked with in a while. Things to finish up, which pushes me to use them up faster. And we'll see how much this month I actually cheat on my kit like I did last month. But if you guys did not see the remnants of April, I'll have the playlist link down below for How to Kill a Kit with Style for April, so you can see that I made well over 20 projects that month. And just in case you're wondering what the transition is like from a project heavy month to a lighter project month, which is just something I think I need creatively, but we'll see. Sometimes the creative spark just keeps going and you really need to emphasize on that. So we shall see where May takes us. But thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and subscribe so you can see what I do make with this kit this month. But I'm really excited for it and to see what everyone else makes with their kits. So thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys!